What's up, guys? How is everyone doing? I hope you guys are doing great. I am Olu Asumiche from Classic Media, and in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to remove or edit any distracting elements like text and objects in a photo in Adobe Photoshop. I'm very excited today because I love these online tutorials. So when I receive a comment or a request from you guys to make video, I dive into action. So guys, let's jump into this. To begin with, let's import the image we are going to be working on into Photoshop. Importing the image. So I'm working on this. I want to remove this Mary Jane, this name here, and this HP branding logo here. I want to remove this in the. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm not going to go through this now. If you take a look at this left side menu here, we see different tools there. Each of these tools has specific functions. In case you're a beginner watching this for the first time, I made a series of videos on beginner's guide. I'll leave a link in the description section for you to check out in case you want. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use only two tools, which is the magic wand tool and the patch tool right there. So guys, select on magic wand tool, hold down shift to select the text to be removed. In case of this, I'm removing this Mary Jane. Hold on shift to select. Still selecting. In case things goes wrong like this, Ctrl Z on PC, Command Z on the Mac to undo. Still hold on shift to select. After taking a couple of hours to select this, take a look at this top menu bar. We see different tools there. Click on select, modify, expand. We're going to expand this by 3 pixels. Click OK, guys. Still hold on shift, take a second look at this top menu bars there. Click on edit, fill, content aware. It may be on history, pattern, background color, anywhere it is. Make sure you select content aware, guys. Click OK. Ctrl D to deselect, Command D to deselect on the Mac. Fantastic! Wow, guys, this is cool. So sweet. Photoshop remove that text just like magic. The way content aware technology works is by analyzing the pixels that surrounding the selection and use that information to generate new pixels that will go into the selection. We made a series of videos on how content aware technology works. If you guys like to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description section below. So the second tool we are going to be using is the patch tool. Right click on it. We have 5 options there. We have patch tool, we have spots hidden brush tool, we have hidden brush tool, patch tool, content aware move tool, red eye. I'm not going to go into all these now for the sake of this tutorial. So click on patch tool, guys. To select this text you'll be removing. In case I'm removing this object, which is the HP brand logo here, make sure you select. The selection doesn't have to be perfect. After taking a couple of hours to select this, now let's drag. The way patch to work is I sample pieces from another area and replace it with the selection. So this place is similar to this place. I'm going to replace the pieces here to this object. So drag, drag. If you're satisfied, release. Then Ctrl D to deselect, Command D to deselect on the Mac. Fantastic, guys. Photoshop remove that object again just like magic. In case you are new to this channel, I strongly recommend you to subscribe right now because I'll be making series of videos pertaining to this niche. Guys, please subscribe to this channel. In case you have any request or you have anything you want me to assist you in Photoshop, guys, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll be very happy. I'll be glad to respond to your request. So guys, that is how to remove or edit text in Adobe Photoshop. So in case you want to write something there, we can click on this text here. Like say we want to write black scene, click OK. Okay, blessings. Yes. Good. So guys, that is how to remove or edit a text in Adobe Photoshop. Please let me know in the comment section below what you have learned by watching this video. And in case you are new, please I implore you to kindly join this channel right now because don't want you to be missing out. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you guys in the next tutorial.